You ever thought about getting a coach or asking someone to help you find someone that can stand behind you and help you be a better you? I mean, honestly, the truth of the matter is we can't do this alone. We can try, and you can get only so far, but we're not in this world to do things on our own. The word no man is an island, that's what that means, right? You can try to do it on your own and not have any friends and not have anybody who can help you out in the thing, but really, how far are you going to get? It's something very rare to have someone that you trust, that you can share everything with, your good stuff and your bad stuff, your successes and your failures, someone that you are unafraid to ask a hard question that might be embarrassing to help you out. I mean, this is not a singular thing that happens only every once in a while. This is almost everybody's problem. My daughter deals with it on a regular basis. Doesn't want to ask the teacher because she thinks she ought to know. And she would rather go forward thinking she knows than to go and ask a question of her teacher to be able to actually grow. Well, we do the same thing as DJs or performers or wedding professionals. We get to a certain spot and we want to be seen as an expert. We want to be seen as someone who knows. And yeah, you do. But you also want to be able to move forward. You want to be able to grow, and you can't do it alone. So what's rare? Finding someone that you're unafraid to ask a question to, and then truthfully let go of the fact that you might not know. And then taking on their coaching in such a way that you will actually go do as they say, even when it feels uncomfortable, even when you know it's wrong, to find out if you don't know something that you don't know. Because more than likely, the coach will see it before you do. There's an old saying in the coaching business, the person being coached is the last one to see what's going on. Or another way to say it is, I can see your problems all over the place, okay? I can see your problems right away. I know exactly what your problem is. I know exactly how you should be coached. But I look in the mirror and I don't see mine, which means I need a coach just as badly as you need a coach. So where do you go find those coaches? Or mentors, or whatever. Coaches are professionals that get paid, so they're held to account to be able to put you towards the goals that you want. Mentors are people with some advice that can help you. Nothing wrong with either one. One just can move you forward with more velocity than the other. What do you think of this? I mean, I'll tell you right now, my number one coach and the coach that I had last, and still is my coach, is my friend Mark Farrell. He's out in California in Mammoth, up in the mountains, and he's always there for me to give me a new perspective. He's always there to help me look at what I do in a different way and to help challenge me with something that he knows that I need to hear, and then challenge me in a way that makes me take it on in a real way. He's had more of an impact on my life and my business than pretty much anyone I can think of. Do you have somebody like that? And if you don't, why aren't you looking for them, man? They're out there, they're everywhere. What do you think of this? Write it down in the comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me who your coach is or who your coaches have been, because even the most successful people in the world, in fact, especially the most successful people in the world, have coaches. They don't believe they know it all. So think about that. And until next time, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and bye.